Paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make an origami sun today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's make a sun wall hanging today. For this, we will take a normal orange paper and start making a circle on it. You can make it with freehand or also use a stencil for the same. Don't move your palm while drawing a circle. It's better if you draw it freehand. Now, let's start tracing the circle with the black pen. Great! Now, let's erase all the pencil marks. Once we are done with that, it's time for us to make the beautiful eyes. So, why don't we make two ovals for the eyes? Let's make a face for our new friend. Now, let's give him a cute smile. This looks great. Now, let's try cutting the circle carefully. Yes, we will cut it right on top of the black curve. Now, it's time for us to take colorful papers and cut strips out of it. This looks pretty. Now, let's start taking strips one by one and stick it at the back of our friend. Let's stick glue on the edges and then start sticking different colored strip one by one. Why don't we go in a sequence? Let's stick the strips on the edges. Why don't we complete doing the entire thing properly? Let's create a beautiful pattern. Let's complete sticking on the entire circle. And now, why don't we put glue on the tip and start sticking it again? Take the other end and roll it inwards. Let's do this for all the strips. This looks like a beautiful flower, isn't it? Let's get it inwards and start sticking properly. And our Mr. Sunshine is ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.